In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Miro and FigJam. If you're part of a team that's navigating the diverse landscape of digital collaboration tools, you might find yourself pondering this very decision. Both platforms are excellent in their own right, but they serve different needs and purposes. Let's start by exploring the strengths of Miro. Miro stands out as an excellent choice for large teams tackling complex projects. It's particularly strong for use in workshops, strategic sessions, and agile planning. If you often find yourself working on projects that require detailed planning and execution across various departments or sectors, Miro's robust set of features can be a great asset. The platform offers an extensive range of templates, which can substantially speed up the setup process for any meeting or workshop you're planning. Additionally, Miro's integrations with many other tools in your tech stack make it easy to seamlessly incorporate into your existing workflows and processes. This makes Miro a go-to solution for teams that value a structured approach to collaboration. Now let's shift our focus to FigJam. FigJam shines when it comes to design teams and light brainstorming sessions. If your workflow heavily revolves around design and creativity, and you already use Figma for your design projects, FigJam provides a natural, seamless extension to that process. Its simpler, more playful interface makes it easy to start quickly, encouraging spontaneity and creativity. FigJam doesn't just complement the Figma design workflow, it enhances it. This platform is perfect if your sessions are more about quick, iterative brainstorming rather than structured activity. A simple rule of thumb when deciding which platform to choose could be this: if you're embarking on a big, structured collaboration, Miro is your best bet. This could include anything from cross-departmental strategic planning to intricate workflow diagrams requiring detailed input from various team members. However, if what you require is quick brainstorming within the design workflow, then FigJam should be your choice. Particularly if your team's main focus is on ideation within a creative space, this tool will cater perfectly to your needs. Understanding the specific needs of your team and the nature of your projects can clear up a lot of confusion when choosing between these two powerful tools. Whichever platform you decide to go with, rest assured that both Miro and FigJam offer unique advantages that cater to distinct styles of collaboration. By aligning your choice with your team's needs and the task at hand, you can make the most of these platforms. Thanks for tuning in today, and as always, feel free to leave your questions or comments below.